Lightning McClean, brought to you by BG2 Design Mavericks. The problem that we have addressed is to do with the difficulties one faces when it comes to everyday cleaning of our homes. We try modern mops, we hire help to do the job. This is even a more real problem for old people who live alone. They may be at a risk of robbery, exploitation, as news lines over the recent years has reported continuously. We were driven by both our personal recognition of this problem, as well as the widespread consensus that clearly suggests that house cleaning, that is sweeping and mopping, as an everyday task is quite a challenge for many. Our major stakeholders are old people and housewives. However, the problem surpasses them and pertains to most of the people in India. The product that we have designed is an automatic cleaning bot. It is an efficient sweeping and cleaning machine that can operate both manually and automatically. The four wheels enable effective, precise, and more balanced movement. The ultrasonic sensor gives McClean its vision. It helps detect and avoid any possible collisions with an obstacle in its way. Sweeping is done by the brush in the front of the bot. Mopping is done using the DC motor in the middle. The components are an Arduino board, one BLE module, two H bridges, 5 DC motors, one servo motor, an ultrasonic sensor, a wooden brush, 4 wheels, plywood, and cardboard. This is our app. This is our homepage. We have two modes, manual and automatic. Connect with an available Bluetooth network. We scan for BLE connection. Now look at our manual mode. Using the buttons on the app, we can go left, right, forward, and backward. Using the stop button, we can stop when we want. It does both sweeping and mopping simultaneously, saving time. Now it's moving right. Its low height lets it access most inaccessible spaces that are hard for a person to clean. Now we look at sweeping. It sweeps both light and heavy confetti, like this. Now we demonstrate mopping with our robot. Last but not the least, we have the automatic mode. Bot moves automatically and avoids any obstacle in its way.